Hi, welcome back to PapaGBets. I am Papa G here with Christian and Logan today. Today we're going to start off with $200 bankroll with Lightning Buffalo Link. And we're going to see how we do today with that. In the comment section, let us know what your favorite Buffalo game is, and we'll get started here momentarily.
All right, let's have a day.
All right, we're back. We're going to get started with the 2 cent, $2 cent, $2 bet. And see what we can do here.
Oh!
First spin, Johnson.
Getting that started with the perfect ticketer.
Start out with $4 here. Hopefully we hit a massive, guys.
Yeah. Sticky button.
This one spins itself. 10's got there.
Let's get a Buffalo spin.
Gonna be one of those.
Coin.
What got there? 9. 2 more.
Hey.
All right, we're in it on the left.
Bonus and a bonus.
All right. Small school, but let's hit that minor for 200.
Yeah, all you need is
And yeah, I'll take the major too. I don't care.
one good ball. Need something here.
Save the day and we're out of it. I like that you can press out of it.
Yeah. Count it up faster.
Yeah. So $28 on that part. No. We got one more spin on the other bonus here.
Coins.
Coin. All right, $32 there. I mean, it's not even 20x, but all right, 16x. We'll take it for a first spin.
Why don't we just do that every spin?
Right, that'd be nice.
Seems so easy.
So we're running the game. It didn't work, so we're not going to do that this time. I will try and go through the bets here and try and find hot bets. Oh, there's a nice little count. Not good enough to chase though. So I think the actual Buffalo Link is my favorite of the Buffalo game.
Yeah.
They can all be hard. Coyotes.
I really like the bonus idea in Buffalo Gold Collection, but it very rarely gives you anything.
Right. It's so super hard to get.
It's a fun bonus thing to get rid of symbols and turn them to wilds.
Right. In theory, it works. Jennings, $2. See what we do there. Come on.
Oh.
No.
X -1.
Yeah, we got that bonus and haven't had much since. Did we get the moose? Must have.
So last week, I told you guys I would come with a fun fact.
Yeah, last video, Monday's video went a little quick. Forgot to get that.
So my fun fact is that a lot of lobsters can actually live for much longer than they do. But they eventually just kind of die and run their course. I don't know the specifics of it. I learned this in college. Oh, that's a huge ball.
Come on.
$600.
$600 ball for a $3 bet. Man, that's what we're looking for, boys.
The 200X. But yeah, that's my fun fact.
Fun fact. All right. I mean, a lot of them die because I eat them. So.
Well, I mean, yeah, that's true. I don't know how much you guys know about the lobster catching business in New England is actually really cool. All the different boats have different territories, and there's a lot of regulations on maintaining the population.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
There's a YouTube channel. I don't know what the guy's name is, but I watch him every now and then where he picks up new boats or whatever and uses them out there. He's got his own little lobster stand, whatever. I don't know what his name is, but it's a real interesting 30-minute watch every now and then. After, of course, you watch us. All right, so we're down 100 already, guys.
Had that first spin Johnson and then
nothing since.
I just want one nice buffalo spin. Is that too much to ask?
It's not. Some might say that's the least you could have.
I like the sound that is that an elk? What is that?
I think it's an elk. Moose have the bigger,
yeah.
Their antlers are more full. So I believe that's an elk. Christian likes the cougar. He's ready to punch me. I am not. 450 and find another game, I think, guys, right?
I agree.
This is just a straight up monkey hammering. And the button's pissing me off. Cougs.
Speaking of cougars.
You know, I'm calling it now. This button is really making me irritated, so I don't want to be irritated while I'm trying to do this. So we're gonna
just go to a different game.
We're gonna give it another game.
I have one in mind.
All right, so Logan's right idea was all aboard, piggy pennies. We're gonna get started with the 5-cent denom min bet at $1.25.
Oh, come on. Oh,
that'd have been nice. Well,
almost had 2 in a row first spin free games.
So I haven't played this version of this game yet, but the all aboards I absolutely love. They are fun, and you get to say all aboard when you get a bonus.
Yeah, that is the best part.
3 more, 1 more. There we go, and we're in the bonus. So 5-cent denom, $1.25 bet. All aboard bonus. Need 1 at a time.
Yes.
No more, no less.
1 at a time. Nice. All aboard.
Word. Not bad.
Anything
here.
All right, all aboard.
Minis 15, major 25, max
Lord.
125, and the mega is 500. Word.
Yeah.
All aboard.
Well, we're doing what we need to, one at a time.
Absolutely. I love this bonus.
Another one.
They were like a little bigger numbers, but whatever.
One more.
Beggars can't be choosers, right? We're gonna take that $82 bonus and be happy with it.
Burn, 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 burn.
So with my granddaughter Maggie, we watched Baby Einstein, and this is one of the songs on there, so it reminds me of that. All right, we're gonna do a couple of backups, and then we're gonna move up, and I don't think we're gonna move denums yet. We're gonna move up in dollar amount here, though. All right, we're gonna go to the 250 bet. Come on.
Hey.
Yes! First Ben Johnson on the 250.
Awesome.
5 free games. All right, so we got 5 free games. 5-cent denom, 250 bet. Sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off there.
No, you're good.
All right,
This has the center dealio. We need a train in the middle. That's wild. That's pretty good.
Oh yeah, you got the money bags through, right? The kings go through a little too? Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good first spin.
I'll say.
Oh, the coin is a blocker.
It is.
No banks. Oh, is that a retrig?
I think so.
Oh, we get 5 whole free games.
Wow, that's nice.
All right, whole bonus left. Oh. Don't have that guy.
And I got some queens there.
Let's get some trains in the middle. It's not bad.
Piggy's wild, right? Yeah. You can't complain here. 25x already.
2 more games. I haven't even seen the trains.
I know. Oh, there
I just saw it.
That was it, right? All right, $64. I'm not complaining too much. We are almost a front street, guys.
Almost.
A couple backups here, and we're gonna move up again. Oh, back to back? No, it's got to be 3 in the middle, right?
Yeah, they only come in the middle.
All right, so we're gonna go to 375. So what I'm doing is bonus escalating. Every time we hit a bonus, if we're still up from what the last bonus was, we go up a dollar amount. Next time we're gonna go up a denom.
So it seems like the progressives are bet based.
Yeah, it's not denom based on all aboard.
Let's get some trains.
That'd be nice. 3 more.
Oh. Or a coin. Oh. I love this game.
It's becoming one of my favorites. All right, let's go back to the $1.25 and work our way back up again, boys. So the key to this stuff for me is, oh, that's -1, is moving around to find the hot denom.
Yeah.
And bet level. You get stuck on one bet level because your bankroll is too small and you can't bet anymore, and then a lot of times you just get rinsed.
That pig looks sleepy.
Right?
What's the min bet on 10 cent? 250.
250. Give it a shot here. 2 more. Oh, almost another one. Come on, 2 more.
Oh. There's that 3 in the first column thing.
I don't think it's like Dragon Link though. Like you almost never get it in Dragon Link. Two more.
Hey!
See, I told you.
You did tell me.
All right, so we're in 10-cent denom, 250 bet.
Oh my!
Linda. The major is
$50.
only 50 bucks. We got a little excited there. The mega's the big one here, not the major. Oh no! Oh Lord! Not how you want to do it, but I'll take it. It's $100 every time we get a train, so.
Another one. Oh, don't do this. Wow, too good to be true.
I had a feeling.
This is too good to be true. At least.
I'm not gonna complain. We got a $100 bonus. We are on Front Street for the video. I'm not complaining.
Would have liked 1 or 2 more, but
at least 1 more would have been nice. I'm not gonna bitch about it though. I'm gonna do a couple backups and. Logan, you feeling froggy?
Yeah.
Logan's feeling froggy. $5 bet.
I am.
We don't generally do $5 bets, but we are today. My goal this week is to get the boys a paycheck on a jackpot, so we need $2 grand. We need a mega. Come on now. All right, we cried, Logan. Oh, 2 more, 2 more. No, free games bonus would be nice too.
Yeah.
I'll take anything. So Logan, what Olympics are you watching? I know Christian hasn't watched any, so I'm not going to ask him.
Well, I feel like curling is on 24/7. I don't know how many curling events they are, but
There's a lot.
I've been watching curling, watched some figure skating.
Oh, that poor kid. They hyped him up, and I feel so sorry.
Yeah, it's been seeing the Simone Biles parallels of a young person that's really good at their sport, going to the Olympics, and I mean, it's hard to not crack under that kind of pressure. It's point.
I don't think he cracked under pressure. The guy won 33 straight events.
Well, I know. I know, but I mean,
you know how hard it is to be that precise.
but listen, I don't know. I listened to the broadcast and referring to him as a medal shoe-in and the gold medal overwhelming favorite, and he just didn't have it. But I do feel bad for him.
I'm going to leave it at this. The kid didn't choke. He just had a bad day, and I feel sorry for him. And
yeah.
You'll get him in the next one, kid. Now, the one I really, really feel bad for is Lindsey Vonn.
Well, my personal opinion is I don't know how she even competed in the first place, but
unbelievable that she even gave that a shot. I don't care what you feel about her. That having the gumption to actually compete with a torn ACL, especially that event, is insane. And you know, just that first jump just clipped the Flipped the gate and landed sideways, and oh, 2 more. That was a rough one. I felt sorry for her, but you know, I hope she recovers and all that stuff. So get well soon, Lindsay. The Breezy Johnson, who won the event, the story of her, she fell on that mountain prior to Beijing and didn't make the Olympic trial because she got hurt on that same mountain, and then comes back and wins the gold on that mountain.
Oh, dang. That's pretty cool.
And then comes back and wins the Super G. And then her boyfriend decided he was going to propose to her, and they got engaged after she won the Super G. Here's some advice, boys. If you ever propose, don't do it at an event like that. Now, she wanted it there. That was her dream, was to get engaged at the Olympics. So, good on him for that. Most women do not do it on an event like that.
Yeah.
Especially if it's someone else's wedding. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Don't do that. I might have just made some people mad, but don't do that. Don't do it at a ball game. She doesn't want to be there. She doesn't want to get engaged there. Do it on a boat dock somewhere.
Yeah.
Something like that. Anyway, that's my PSA for young people trying to get married.
That's how I feel about proposing on like her birthday. Like,
or Valentine's Day or any of the holidays. Don't do it. It needs to be its own special day. In my humble opinion. Not so humbly said.
We're running dry here now.
Move up to the 250 bet. I'd like to get another bonus here just to get a shot here, you know? And one more train and then that 10-cent bonus would have been sitting pretty. Would have won some money today. What do you think about a third game? I see something right there that I know you said you wanted to play earlier.
Yeah, let's try it.
All right, we're going to be right back. Since Logan's feeling froggy, we're going to do a little dance and drum volatility for you. Generally, this is safe for Saturday, get you some Saturday, but today we're going to do it because Logan's feeling froggy. What are we doing? No, we're going to do $1.76. This is only 1 cent, you know.
Yeah.
So we'll try and hit something and go up. Is there winnability on this, Logan?
No. Speaker's broken.
Oh well. We'll speak loud. Get us a bonus here and make some money. This is one of my favorite volatile games. There you go. That'd be a little bit nice little line head there. $4. So for those of you who didn't see our Get You Some Saturday a few weeks ago, we absolutely destroyed this game. We picked up like over $500 on this one.
Yeah.
$550 or something like that.
Need 3 drums.
Yeah,
1, 2, and 3.
Or a bunch of poo dogs across the board.
Yeah.
Another $4 there.
The boats.
We'll go up a little bit. Try and find something here. That'll be good. No. Come on. Oh. Hold on. That's not bad. 3 food dogs isn't bad. $12. It's not bad either.
heating up a little bit.
I can see that pot close for us.
That thing never closes.
Well, and when it does, you get the mini every time. Oh, if that was wild, that'd have been real nice.
Yeah. Come on, dancing drums.
Come through for us. I know this is one volatile game, so I don't know how much run I'm going to give it, Logan. Shit.
Needed another one.
Now they put a star there. Well, what are you thinking for the floor, Logan?
110.
Okay.
But we're gonna get a bonus before that, I know
I'm
it.
sure as hell hoping. At least a line hit to keep us going a little bit would be nice.
Yeah.
I think we got 2 more presses.
I believe. Last spin.
Last spin.
I don't
All right,
believe.
everybody, that's going to do it for Wednesday's PapaGBets show. In for 300, out for 111, down $289.
$189.
$189. Yeah, that's a monkey hammer for us. It's 2 bad days in a row here. So for Friday's video, I don't know what we're going to do yet, but it's going to be better than what we just did the last 2 days. I promise you that. I don't promise that, actually. It is getting a little after all, so we'll see what we can do here. Give us a like, subscribe. Leave us some comments down below on your Buffalo Link game, your favorite Buffalo Link game, and All Aboard as well. Let us know what your favorite version of All Aboard is.
Yeah.
And hit that notification bell. Logan, Christian, anything else?
Let's have a better day.
All right,
next time.
See you guys on Friday.